皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland, Japanese tutor, New Zealand. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn just a vocabulary, but that's the form a question. So let's get started. どこどこ is where. The same pattern. トピックはどこですか ?You can use something you want to ask the location. Then you put the どこ。This guy is a polite way adding ですか So that's why I put a square bracket. But you can, if it's informal, you can take it off the ですか part. Simply トピックはどこ。例えば means for example, 例えば、東京駅はどこですか東京駅はどこですか means where is the Tokyo station? Repeat after me. 東京駅はどこですか ?One more time. 東京駅はどこですか ?If you ask the direction to the strangers, please stick to the polite way because you don't know them. So be polite. どこですか ?So it's important to have a ですかNext. 学校はどこですか学校わかる ?Do you know 学校学校 is a school ね。school, 学校。So repeat after me. 学校はどこですか ?One more time. 学校はどこですか ?Okay, the next is, can you guess the person's what he's looking for? He's looking for the bathroom. So if you are traveling in Japan or if you're living in Japan, it's important to know to be able to ask where is the bathroom. So that's the sentence. お手洗いはどこですか ?Repeat after me. お手洗いはどこですか ?One more time. お手洗いはどこですか Oteara is a polite way. When I go to the restaurants or izakaya, Japanese style bar place, sometimes I use the phrase too. Oteara is a polite way of bathroom. But you could use toire as well. This is a katakana, so I put it here. Toire, written in hiragana because it's from English vocabulary. Toilet, toire. So you can also say, トイレはどこですか So that's the topic はどこですか pattern. So let's review. Repeat after me. 東京駅はどこですか学校はどこですかお手洗いはどこですか Then you can also do the another pattern どこ So どこ something verb ね。So 例えば東京駅はどこにありますかWe have learned ありますかありますか is a grammar point for there is or exist ね。So this is all asking where is a Tokyo station. So it's asking same question, but どこにありますか is あります is a verb. So this pattern is どこ plus verb. Repeat after me. 東京駅はどこにありますか By the way, this is a Tokyo station image. 写真ね、写真。で、次。休みはどこへ行きますか ?So this one is どこ is here. Then 行きますか is go. 行きます The verb 行きます is go. But 行きますか is where are you going to? Then 休み means a day off. 休み has a multiple meaning. One is a day off. Or could be paid or paid holiday or just a holiday. In this case, 休みはどこへ行きますか if you look at this picture, she's holding the form. It's the kanji written, but the kanji read as a UQ. UQ means paid leave. So you get paid while you are taking holiday. So she's applying for the paid leave to boss or something. So then boss said, oh, where are you going on holiday? 休みはどこへ行きますか? Okay, repeat after me. 休みはどこへ行きますか? Good. Next is ご飯はどこで食べますか? ご飯 means meal or food ね。So, どこで食べますか? Do you know 食べます means? 食べます is to eat. So, where shall we have a meal? Depends on the context. Where shall we have a lunch or where shall we have a dinner? If it's 夜ご飯 means dinner. 昼ご飯 lunch. 朝ご飯 is breakfast. But I just use ご飯はどこで. So, どこで where shall we have where shall we eat? Then this is a picture for restaurant ね。So as you notice, the どこ plus verb, when you use a verb, depends on the type of what verb you use, particle will be different. So the first sentence we did with 東京どこにありますか? So because ありますか verb followed with に. So that's why に here. Then if you use 休みはどこへ行きますか? 行きますか is go. So the particle 行く is used with the particles え or に. That's why here use どこへ行きますか? You could also use どこに行きますか is okay too. Then last one ご飯はどこで食べますか? So the particle is で because the action is 食べる. 食べる is action while you are in the certain place. You stay in the area or in the place. So we use action happening in the place. So that's why we use a particle で. So please be careful when you use it. The particle also choose the appropriate particle depending on the verbs. Okay, so that's for today's lesson. このレッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様です。見てくれてありがとう。もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you have access to all lesson videos. And you can ask any questions related to Japanese. Recently, I released a new course which is a 100-day challenge course. So please check the description for more details. I'll see you in the next video. またね